What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do another install video for you. I got the rear upper and lower strut bar. Right now I'm installing the rear lower strut bar. I'll show you a picture of it. That's the rear lower strut bar that goes inside. The upper goes here, somewhere around here. The lower, going to bolt onto these 14s on each side. So what you're going to have to do is take them off, cut a hole in there, a little hole, gotta line it up straight. A little slit right here, a little slit right there, there's a little X mark in there. Right now I gotta take the 14s out and I'll show you everything else. I'm doing this with no directions, no videos, no nothing. This is why I'm making the video to help you use. Bar. Like I said, I'm doing this with no couple of kind of people back in. Too tight. Take out your other bolt next. Here, let me show you that slip first. Sorry about that. See the little cut? Little cut from the bottom. Just so it could go like that. It'll be right over. It'll sit flush. It'll sit right there. Gotta take that bolt off. Sorry, I'm talking like a retard again. Take the bolt off, put the bolt in, and then you should be done. Then tighten it all up. Let's do this again. Sorry for the bad video. I'm by myself. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I fast forward all this. You don't want to see me sitting here doing nothing. I need to get a camera holder. There we go, 14. Not too tight, not too loose. I'm known for breaking bolts in chassis, you know. Alright, that's it. All done. Here, I'll show you. There you go. Ultra Racing strut bar. Easy install. Just the 14 right there. Cut the carpet, take it out, put the bar on, put it back in, do one side at a time, keep them loose. Fully tighten both bolts when they're both in. Easy. So all I'm waiting for now is my upper strut bar to come in, then we're good to go.